Ha Poke and virtual restaurant Hotlips. We have Ha Poke, which is our leading brand, and then with the restaurant that we've got on our side of the kitchen, we're able to have multiple virtual restaurants to be able to operate out of it. By having these ordering systems, you can have virtual restaurants. So with Hotlips, it's Nashville style chicken. So we're doing it with an old style sandos, as they're called, and then with fries, proper coleslaw. The cauliflower is epic. You can have a restaurant and you can have Uber Eats and it will get you money in, and you can have multiple concepts. The reason it works well for us is because we have a product that can travel. With Poke, you can make it and it will go from us to the customer, but not change. So with a delivery system like Uber Eats, it works really, really well. We're being able to set up a business around it. Having Uber Eats becomes a business model. The experience with Uber Eats has been very good. I would say to people to definitely do it because it's an addition, it's an add-on, but understand how to use it so that it's beneficial to you.